This is Office Lens. Office Lens is a free app or add-in by Microsoft that turns your smartphone or tablet into a fast, efficient scanner and automatically deposits digitized notes from handouts or whiteboards into your OneNote or various other destinations. The app is available for Android and iOS, and I've already installed Office Lens onto my device from the Microsoft Store. This is OneNote that I also have installed from the Microsoft Office suite, combining OneNote and also the immersive reader, which I'll be demonstrating, will make the digitized notes that has been captured by Office Lens much easier to read and share. I've launched Office Lens and I'm just going to capture a section of a handout that I have in front of me here. You have a few options at the top to crop and bring in, and just to really concentrate on the text that you wanted to capture maybe. Depending on what you have captured, you have options here. So I'm going to keep mine selected as document before saving that into the OneNote, which is the default there. There you can see you have a few other options, but I'm going for the OneNote option. I'm going to open then the notebook, and there my handout appears. This is the desktop version of Notebook, but I also have opened the cloud version. Now I can go into the immersive reader in both of these applications, whether it's desktop or the cloud. In the cloud version, if I go into view, I've got the option there of the immersive reader. If I select the immersive reader, you can see that it brings up the text. I then have options to increase font size, add spacing, break up words. There's the read aloud feature, so you can have the text read to you, and it also highlights nouns, adjectives and verbs. So I'm just going to select the beginning of a sentence there.
Assessment for learning should be part of effective planning of teaching and learning. A teacher's planning should provide opportunities.
So that is the read aloud feature. If I select the font sizes, you can see I can increase the font size, or I can increase the spacing. Also nice to change the colours in the background there with the different themes. Here we have the options of showing the nouns and the verbs, etc. And then also finally I have the option of kind of magnifying in on one row or a couple of rows at the same time. I've just switched back to the desktop version, and as you can see, if I select view, this is the immersive reader, so I have the same tools available here. Using the app on the smartphone, you have the option of going straight into the immersive reader, but today I've demonstrated the immersive reader and the learning tools within through OneNote. I hope you found this useful, and I hope too that you find Office Lens and its learning tools very useful.